I apologize in this video to hear voices and noises. My family's literally the loudest ever. So sorry about that. Hey guys, so today's going to come at you with a back to school supplies haul. I'm so excited to show you all of the supplies I'm going to be using this year for sophomore year. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm not super funny today, so let's just see how this video goes. Okay, so first up is obviously a backpack. This is the gray Jansport classic basic backpack. I would have gotten the Fjallraven Kanken one, but so here's the tea, sis. Here's the real tea. So I was supposed to pay like 20-ish bucks, and then my mom would pay 30 bucks because that was what she was gonna spend on a backpack this year and every year. But you see, I did not have the money at the time, and it wouldn't have come in the mail quick enough, so there's that. Yeah. But this is the other backpack I wanted to get, so I'm actually pretty excited about her. And maybe my company will come next year. Who knows? Okay, before we get into the actual school supplies, I just want to let you know I didn't really need that much this year. Because we kind of bought a lot last year, and I ended up not making a video about my school supplies last year for some reason, so there's that. So I already had like a ton of pencils and pens and index cards, so what's in this haul is pretty much everything else, so yeah. I'm going to try and go through them pretty quick. I don't know, I just feel like it's kind of unnecessary to talk about a bunch of school supplies when pretty much almost everybody knows what all these things are, so yeah, let's go. Got some glue sticks. I've got the really cool blue gel ones. Yeah, cool. Then we have my planner for this year. I'm very excited about this one because it looks very sleek in the front, and it's a bullet journal, like where you write down like your weekly stuff, and I'm super excited about that. I wish that they would have not make them so skinny. I had a calendar like that last year. Wasn't a fan, but it's fine. So. But yeah, I love that. She's super cute. Also, I have a ton of different themes going through here. I've got some of like your typical aesthetic themes, and then some like blue and gold type. You'll see. We've got a blue binder pencil pouch because I figured it'd be easier to keep your essentials in your binder because I have one binder. I don't know, easier. Blue. They didn't have a black one, and the black ones that they had looked like they were for boys because they were like black and gray and had like nets and stuff. They just weren't like they weren't basic. Okay, basic. Okay, so next up I have a couple of my DIYs because I'm a DIY queen. Here, love that. So I painted some old composition books I didn't use black, and I made these labels, and I think they're pretty cute. This one has Spanish on it because this is like my extra notebook that I had for like keeping like Spanish notes in here because I thought I was gonna suck at Spanish, but I ended up being okay. Like I still wasn't the greatest, but anyways. So I'm gonna continue to use this next year, and then I'm gonna make a label when I know what I need this notebook for. So there we go. DIY. So next up is this gem, my DIY spiral notebook. I was trying, sweetie. So I was trying to get out all the glue bubbles and I ended up like ripping some of this. So I might make it, just print out the same thing again if I can find it. But yeah, she's real cute except for her little scars. But yeah, we've got a bunch of aesthetic photos I took from Tumblr. Got a kinkin down here, pumpkin, lots of flowers, and just a bunch of aestheticness. So there's her. She's a 3-subject binder. From Costco last year. So like, there you go. And if you're wondering where all my other school supplies are from, the stuff I just showed earlier are all from Walmart. Guys, seriously, go to Walmart because the stuff at Target, like, she's real cute. Like, I love Target. Like, I go there every day. Not really, but I wish I could. But like, I love Target, but you can find literally the same exact thing, like same brand and everything, just cheaper at Walmart. So like, there you go. There's that. Next, I have these 2 composition notebooks because I need 4 composition notebooks, of course. But these ones are super cute. They're from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Like, y'all gotta check out Dollar Tree because they got really cute notebooks. This one has cactuses on it and succulents. I'm very excited about that. This one's striped with flowers. So, she's real cute. Next, we have a couple folders. This is the other theme I was talking about. They're cute. They don't go with my team. I probably needed folders. So, there's these. They've got the, I think they're called prongs, right? Yeah. On the inside, and yeah, they're cute. They're a little bit blingy. I don't know if you can see from my studio lights, but there's that. There you go. Got another folder. She's another basic. This is 5-star because I don't deal with the 59-cent folders. I'm a bougie queen. Anyways, 5-star black folder. Cool. Love that. Now the last 2 things are my binder, 1.5 inch, and these dividers that have pockets in them, which is something I've always wanted. So, yeah. Love that. Okay, guys, so that is all for the school supplies. I don't know. I need help. So yeah, that was all my school supplies for this year. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please leave some video requests down in the comment section so that I know what you guys want to see. And yeah, be sure to go follow me on all my social media. You can pretty much find me anywhere. Be sure to follow me on my vlog channel. I'll leave the link in the description box down below and up on the screen, and the new end card. Here's the new end card. Yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!